In this video we going to checking out 5 best speed square you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation, and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best speed square in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Swanson Tool 7-inch Speed Square. The blue anodized coating isn't just eye-catching, it also enhances visibility when working on light-colored materials and adds a layer of corrosion resistance. This ensures the tool remains legible and rust-free over time, even in damp or outdoor environments. The laser-etched black markings provide excellent contrast against the blue background, making them easy to read in various lighting conditions. The gradations are precise and won't wear off over time, ensuring consistent accuracy. Constructed from heavy-gauge aluminum alloy, the Swanson S0101 offers long-lasting durability while maintaining a lightweight profile. It holds up well under rugged job site conditions and resists warping or bending. Unlike cheaper plastic alternatives, the tool serves as a tri-square, miter square, saw guide, protractor, and line scribe, making it incredibly versatile. Whether you're marking angles for rafters, laying out lines for crosscuts, or using it as a saw guide, it eliminates the need to carry multiple tools. It features helpful Rafter conversion charts stamped on the face, aiding quick calculations on site without reaching for a separate reference or smartphone app. Designed for precision, durability, and ease of use, this compact tool blends multiple functionalities into one robust square. Our second best speed square is Johnson Level & Tool 4.5 Professional Easyread Finish Square. The standout feature of this square is its high contrast, laser-etched markings. The white-on-black design significantly improves readability, even in low-light or dusty environments. The markings are permanent and won't fade over time. Unlike painted or stamped options, this square works not just as an angle marking tool, but also as a saw guide, ruler, and layout tool. It's especially useful when paired with a pencil for fast, clean marks during layout. At just 4.5 inches, this square is an ideal size for finish work, fitting easily into a tool pouch or pocket. Its smaller footprint makes it especially handy in tight spaces where a full-size square might be unwieldy or unnecessary. Despite its size, it delivers precise 90 degrees and 45 degrees angles, making it perfect for marking corners, trimming work, cabinetry, or smaller woodworking projects. The tool is also CNC machined, which enhances its accuracy. Made from solid aluminum, the Johnny Square is both lightweight and durable. It can handle daily use on job sites without bending or losing its shape, ensuring long-term reliability. Perfect for finish carpenters and hobbyists, its compact size and clear markings make it an excellent go-to square for everyday use. While it may not replace a full-sized square for all tasks, it certainly earns its place in any toolbox. Third pick in our list is Workpro Aluminum Alloy 12 inches. Combination Square Combo. This set covers a wide range of layout and measuring tasks. The Rafter square is ideal for marking 90 degrees and 45 degrees angles, scribing lines, and using as a saw guide. The combination square allows for precise 90 degrees and 45 degrees measurements, depth gauging, and center finding. Its adjustable head and bubble level make it a multifunctional tool for fine woodworking, framing, and even metalworking. The Rafter square's thick edge works well as a saw guide or for quick marking. The combination square includes a secure locking mechanism and built-in level, adding to its practicality. The ruler slides smoothly and locks in place firmly. The 7-inch Rafter square is made from aluminum alloy, providing a lightweight yet strong tool resistant to rust and warping. The 12-inch combination square uses zinc alloy construction with a stainless steel ruler, combining durability with corrosion resistance. Both tools feel solid in hand and are built for long-term use. Both tools feature etched measurement markings that are easy to read and won't fade over time. The contrast on the Rafter square ensures good visibility even in low light. Accuracy is consistent and reliable for professional grade work. Having both tools in one affordable package is a big plus. Number 4 on our side is DEWALT 7 inches Premium Rafter Square. The DEWALT 7-inch Premium Rafter Square is a standout tool in the category of layout and measuring instruments, especially suited for carpenters, framers, and DIYers who demand precision and durability. Known for their commitment to quality, DEWALT has delivered a solid and well-engineered tool that balances practicality and performance. Constructed from heavy-duty aluminum alloy, the DEWALT Rafter Square offers a solid, impact-resistant body that can withstand job site abuse. The thick profile and solid edges make it feel premium and dependable in the hand, without adding unnecessary weight. It includes both common and hip/valve markings, enabling quick and accurate rafter layout. Whether you're working on roofing, framing, or stair layouts, this square provides versatile angle guides and measurement functionality. The square features laser-etched markings for long-lasting visibility. These markings are highly legible and do not fade or wear off, even after extended use. The crisp numbering helps maintain measurement accuracy over time. The square has a non-slip finish and beveling along the edges for better grip and handling. Despite its rugged build, it sits comfortably in tool belts or pouches, offering portability without compromising usability. Last in our best speed square list is Milwaukee Metric Rafter Square. The Milwaukee Metric Rafter Square is a well-engineered tool that delivers excellent performance and accuracy for metric projects. It's ideal for framing, roofing, and general carpentry where precision and ruggedness are essential. While slightly heavier, its durability, clear markings, and practical design more than compensate. A great investment for professionals and hobbyists alike. Beyond basic measuring, the Rafter Square includes angle guides, a protractor scale, and common layout notches. These features allow for easy rafter cuts, layout lines, and saw guide usage. It's not just a square, it's a multi-tool for carpentry. The tool's edges have been designed with comfort and functionality in mind. The wide base provides excellent stability when used as a saw guide, and it fits comfortably in your hand or tool pouch without slipping. The square is made from thick anodized aluminum, giving it excellent rigidity and a long lifespan. It holds up well to the wear and tear of daily use and resists bending or denting even in tough job site environments. One of the standout features is its full metric layout, which is perfect for users working outside the imperial system.